Today I'm going to be opening a Copperajah V-Box. Comes with a promo card, a oversized card, as well as 4 of these packs. So I'm just going to get into it. Slide this out. And take a look at the promo card first. So here is the Copperajah V promo card. And the oversized card has the same art, just obviously way bigger. So we have a few different packs in the box. I didn't actually think we would actually. So we have 2 Rebel Clash Sword and Shield packs, a Guardians Rising Sun and Moon pack, and a Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse pack. And we do also have the code card for the box. Is that there? And I'll just get into the packs. So first off, I will open the Rebel Clash pack. So there's the code, and should just be 3 to the front, and the energy for this, the fire energy. Flip that back around. So we have Zatu, Lumbra, Glamine, Pidove, a Galarian Darumaka, Hatena, Cypher, Nosepass, Milo, a Probopass as well. Just the Probopass normal rare. Oh, I didn't get all the cards out. Oh, there's still some more. That's all good. The last one in there is the code. So there's the code. And we just do 3 to the front and the energy. A horror energy. So starting off with Roly-Poly, Applin, Palpitoad, Hatena, Magikarp. Nice cute art on there with the Pikachu standing on the beach. Let's have Meditite and a Meditite reverse, as well as a Dualodon Hollow. And I guess I did the card trick wrong, or something happened with the packs that made it messed up. So there's the Copperajah bucket and the Psychic Energy. So next I'll open the Guardians Rising pack. So there is the code. And let's just do 3. And I think energy, yeah. So, starting off with Altar of the Moon, Machoke, Gliscor, a Alolan Sandshrew, Machop, Chansey, Snorunt, Pancham, a reverse Galil, and a Komodo GX card. Very nice card. Sorry, just trying to adjust for the lighting here. The lighting's not good. There's the Komodo GX card. A very nice looking card, that one. Okay, so last pack is the Cosmic Eclipse. Cards are a bit stuck. Just want to save the pack intact as much as possible. So, the code's reversed on this. It says the code. And I think it's just, I don't know, just 3 maybe, I don't know. Not too sure. So, starting off with Dragonium Z, Dragon Claw, a Aquanid, a Draw Energy, Slugma, Chinchou, Cosmog, Pancham, Drillbur, a reverse Krakatot, and nice, a Venusaur and Snivy GX card. And the energy. Let's try to get a better view of this. Yeah, very nice looking card, this one. The Tag Team GX card. Very happy with the pulls today. There's 2 of the GX cards. It's quite good luck from the packs. So yeah, thank you very much for watching again. Do stay tuned, there's going to be more content coming. I have a lot of stuff to open, a lot of tins and some more V-boxes as well, with some promo cards and oversized cards, stuff like that. So yeah, do stay tuned for that. Thank you very much again for watching. Bye.